triangle curve. Okay, let me make it. Okay, for example, if you see the technical way, for example, you are planning your career in mostly technical. So the SAP solution manager or the overall they have one kind of a head. Okay, so there will be solution architect. This kind of solution architects may be more than one. Okay, so maybe principal consultant. So generally if you are planning, generally your role will be associate consultant when you are the fresher or 1 year 2 years experience, and SAP consultant maybe 2 years 3 years 4 years, that area, and more than 5 years or 6 years they can give you senior consultant role. And principal consultant, so already when you're becoming senior consultant itself, you handle most of the projects alone and even giving solutions to other consultants level. So SAP principal consultant, few companies will have the principal consultant role, otherwise it can be directly solution architect. So when you're coming to the 8 years 10 years plus, okay, most of the people will be in this role. Okay, I'm in this stage now. So principal consultant, solution architect, or a few projects giving solution. Okay, so there will be next role will be architect lead. Architect lead will be there for different things. For example, same way SAP SD solution architect, okay, FI solution architect. For all these solution architects, there will be a one lead will be there. So he will be leading the MM, SD, FI, everyone. Okay, so till here you will see most of this area, my area means mostly you will be working as a technical solutioning with 2 people 3 people 1 person managing, like that. So when it comes to this solution architect lead, right, you will be leading 4 5 or 6 7. If you have a PP, MM, SD, FI, EWM, WM, all those people, he will doing that leading. Okay, so then all these leads will be to one SAP solution manager, and these are all reporting to that maybe they will have a MD, okay, managing director or anyone. That's a pure management, people management role. Even this solution manager also like a people management, because they don't go to the technical. And here solution architect lead, I told you, right, this lead may have 30% technical, because still some few suggestions or few decisions he may have to take related to the technical, but remaining things will be management only. But this solution architect role and all are there, right? This until here you can have a 80% or 90%, 70% you will have technical, maybe 20% you may have to manage people or those things. So because I like how I wanted to plan my career, okay, so I'm taking to this lane. Okay, so here also we need to understand the triangle curve. You can see here SAP MM solution architect, SD solution architect, or even MM2 architects can work. Okay, so there may be 2-3 consultants can work on that area, but when it comes to architect lead, only one lead is there. Here principal consultants, maybe for example, see here, so MM solution architect, I think I will write in the right hand side. Okay, so here lead is only one lead, and MM solution architects may be 2, principal consultants maybe 2 to 3. Okay, 2 to 3. In senior consultants, maybe in a company, I'm taking like at high level organization, you may see that senior consultants maybe 5+. Total SAP consultants may be okay. So what I wanted to understand, what I want to explain to you, you can say here principal consultant, or it's triangle. Okay, the slowly okay, if you see this triangle curve, this solution manager is at this place. Okay, a solution manager, and here we have a 20 plus associate consultants, or maybe 10 plus MM consultants are there. Then slowly there will be senior consultant, and then principal consultants, then solution architect. After that, solution architect lead and solution manager. When you're going in the triangle curve, any positions will become narrow. So all people may not get the architect role because they have only one position. So, but there are 3-4 senior consultants are working, and a few companies principal consultant and solution architect may be same. Okay, they may not have a segregation. Okay, so finally what I can say is, when you are growing, the positions will become, based on the triangle, it will become narrow. So opportunities also can come down. So we need to showcase our skills and how we are planning your career and how we are building your career. But you need to enjoy that. Whether you are able to enjoy the respective roles or not, you need to plan it. In similar way, if you are taking a management role, so for example, if you have decided that I'm not that good into the people management, but I'm good into learning. See, when you come to the solution architect role and all, you should have some knowledge of SD, little knowledge of FI. You need to understand at least the terminologies. Okay, any integration issue, if you get it, at least the basic thing you need to be in a position. When it becomes solution architect lead, you are leading MM, SD, FI, everything. So you should have, you don't have to go to SPRO and configuration, because there are people, either architect or any one of these people will do it. You don't do it, but you should understand what is procurement overall process, what is SD overall process, what is finance overall process, when do you use GL accounting, the balance sheet checking. So that high level you need to know it, because you are dealing the daily, you are listening till here, maybe more integration issues, here only MM, here only MM, here maybe little more integration, here you will see MM, SD, MM, PP, MM, WM, all those stuff. Okay, but when it comes to here, it's not just integration. Every day, if you are attending 4 hours or 6 hours of meeting, one meeting is MM, one meeting is SD, one meeting is FI. So you should be strong in technical with some management also we need to be. Okay, so if you are good in technical, you want to have less people management, you need to choose this path. How I chose now. Okay, now I'm around 11 years of SAP consultant. I'm at this stage now, but I'm enjoying, because I work on solutioning, I work on providing any solutions or trainings. So because I choose this is my area, so where I'm able to enjoy, and financially also I'm growing, and also at the same time I plan this training and all, also one kind of identity. Okay, so if not, I don't want to work as a consultant, full-time consultant at the point of time. At least I can make content creation. So how to make my content reach to the people, so how to market myself, and those all few additional things which I found it. So everyone has to find their positives and what are their skills and how to build it. Okay, if someone has at 7 years or 6 years of experience, he became a project manager, so you don't have to, because that is his skill and that is his what you call strength to plan his career. Okay, so but for one thing we need to accept is, based on this triangle curve, when you are growing, the positions will become narrow, so the opportunities will be less. So you need to have a special skills, or you need to have you need to accept it also. If it is not happening also, it's fine, because there are 4 people are trying, and you might be missing for something else. So you need to have that identity. That's what I plan my career. So I came to this position now. Okay, I'm enjoying for last 2-3 years, 4 years, similar kind of activities I'm doing. And when you come to here if I'm not in a position to accept this kind of a role, So then I wanted to continue for a few more years at that point of time. So what modules I need to learn and what kind of things I have to do it. At the same time, this identity, content creation, so those things I build up because I wanted to avoid these roles for as much as I can for at least next 4 years or 5 years. So in the same way, SAP MM consultant, 100% SAP. Are you getting huge sound when I was typing? Because last time also we got it. So because of that reason, whenever I'm typing, I'm trying to do mute because it's a bit noisy. I try to do the settings, but still it's not clear. Okay, if you see in this technical roles, when you see the technical role wise, although you are becoming SAP MM consultant, principal consultant, a solution architect, still you are dealing with more SAP technical or solutioning. Okay, so SAP area, okay, how much you are involving with daily SAP area, login to SAP, those things will be more. Even although you become solution architect lead, still you have to check some solutioning and involving in solution because you are coming with the background of strong SAP MM WM. When it comes to this stage, you are not just SAP MM, definitely you will have MM WM procurement or MM SD or MM PP or MM or EWM. You would be going to that 2-3 modules will be there when it comes to this stage. Okay, so still he can involve into the certain kind of things, and certain solutions he cannot just accept it, he has to open the system and checking it. Okay, so I choose my life in this area. So whether someone has become project manager, someone has become team lead, whatever it become, I don't even bother because I know that what is my strength and where I can get a lot of stuff from my YouTube channel, where I can enjoy doing the work. And whenever I learn any new thing, like a small kid, I enjoy that. Immediately I make the Word document to fill it on a notebook and all. From there we got a lot of things for our YouTube channel and all. So everyone thought process is different, but everyone finally we should get enough income and we should get enough satisfaction what we are doing. Okay, so if you are getting these two things, and of course taking care of our health and taking care of health, taking care of family, all are these like minimum things we should not. That's why most of my when I was mentioning that one, family, health, those are the basic, the pillars for a beautiful house. Okay, we are talking about the house, so already you should have the pillars: good health, good family at home, then only we can do many things. They are supportive, you will be happy. You are having problems at home, then you cannot do anything. So those two are good. That's why we are talking about building house. If the pillars are not good, then you don't have to think about any whatever infrastructure, whatever interiors you keep it. If the pillars are not good, it will be collapsed. So health and good family, that's the base. That's already, we have to keep it. So I'm talking about on top of that, good income and satisfaction in the job. So these two things, how do you achieve it? Someone will achieve by doing project management. You are going to get as a solution architect or a senior consultant. Okay, so someone is getting that one and you don't have to get into that one. You need to question yourself, what is your thing. So finally I want to tell you this one triangle, how much expert you are, and this 10 plus have to become 2. So then these 8 people have to survive somewhere in this position or something. At that point of time, don't go for depression or don't why didn't I get the architect role, so he's having less knowledge. Now leave about the comparisons. We are in a big world. Generate your identity, and if not this company, another company will give you. Otherwise you can do on your own freelancing, you can do it without any company. But how can you get that confidence? You have a lot of EMI, family responsibilities, you didn't plan your financial properly, That's what you need to do from this journey to this journey, so that you can enjoy this area. If you really don't achieve this architect lead role, you're not interested, or your company has not given to you, but still you are already financial backup is there, your identity you generated. That's what I did in last 5 years or 7 years of time, financially and identity wise. Today Ganesh Padala, if you can start any kind of, if I come to India and just sit at home, also I can do something, I can make something. Okay, so that's what, please question yourself, what is your strength, and how to build your skills, and how to showcase your skills in the market. Okay, so that's why the triangle curve, this 20 plus have to become 1. What is the position of 19? In that 19, maybe 2-3 people will come here, and 2-3 people will be there. Remaining 14 people, they're not bad, right? So maybe 5 people bad, they didn't update their skills, they didn't prepare, but at least 8 people are good, but still they didn't get the opportunity. So that is, we have to accept it, and how to plan and how to utilize your skills in a different way. Okay, everyone cannot start YouTube channel, everyone cannot give trainings, classes, everyone cannot become project manager, everyone cannot become solution architect, everyone cannot learn 2-3 modules. But if you believe what you can do whatever you want.